Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fun Cuisine. Today we're going to have some chicken gizzard, guys. It's going to be so delicious, and also we're going to have some steamed broccoli with it. Okay, so let me show you guys what I have for you. Okay, as you can see, I have my chicken gizzard already cleaned up and then well marinated, guys. Okay, and I have my broccoli already steamed up. Okay, and I have my flour to fry them up. Okay, and here in this bowl I have onion powder, ginger powder, and garlic powder, and some red chili powder, and a little bit of teaspoon salt. And here I have some Italian seasoning, and then paprika. Okay, and for my sauce, I'm going to use some Dijon mustard and my sweet chili sauce. Okay, and also for my broccoli, I'm going to use my dressing, Caesar dressing. Okay, and I have my mayonnaise. Okay, for my sauce, for my gizzard. Okay, so what we're going to do first, guys, I'm going to boil it a little bit. Okay, before I fry them up. Okay, I already have some vegetable oil in my pot. Okay, okay, it's good. Okay, it's warming up a little bit more. Guys, this is from part of the chicken stomach. It's very good, guys. And here in it known, we call it zizi pool. Okay, it is so delicious, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I am not going to add any water, guys. I'm going to just let it cook with my seasoning, just like that, because I want everything to stay in the gizzard, guys. Okay, oops. Okay, what I'm going to do next while this cooking, let me show you guys what I'm going to do. I have my flour, guys, and then I'm going to mix up everything. Okay, because you have to season your flour first for whatever you're cooking. I mean, it's up to you. If you want to just go ahead just like that, you can do it, but I like to do that. Okay, give them like some good flavors. Okay, mix it up, and then after that, this is this thing finished. I'm going to just get them out and then pour the flour on and then mix everything together. Okay, okay, so guys, when we come back, I'm going to let that cook for like 10 to 20 minutes, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time to check on our gizzard. Okay, let me give it a taste, guys. Oh my goodness, it tastes so good. Okay, now it's time for me to get them out. Okay, I'm going to let them cool off a little bit before I use my flour on. Okay, so you have to let it cool off first, guys, before you add your flour. Okay, okay, I'm going to finish it up, and then when we come back, I'll show you guys everything else. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time to show you guys what I'm going to do. Let me taste a little bit one first. Yeah, it's so good. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my flour. I have my gloves. So good, guys. So delicious. Okay, mix it up. Okay. Okay, let me add some more. Okay, now what I'm going to do next, I think it's good enough. Yep, see that? My pot already hot. Okay, take off my gloves. My glove, I'm taking, okay. Now what I'm going to do, okay, just pick him up. Okay, and then like that. Okay. Okay, I'm going to let this cook. Okay, and what I'm going to show you guys next, guys, while this cooking. Okay, now for my sauce, I already have my mayonnaise. Going to add my mustard. Okay, my chili sauce. Okay, mix it up. Okay, and taste it. Oh, perfect, guys. Perfect. Okay, when we come back, guys, this is what I'm going to do. Oh my goodness, tastes very good. Okay, when we guys come back, I'll show you guys everything else. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let's check on our gizzard. Okay. Okay. Okay, you see that, guys? I'm using this bowl, and I put some napkins in there so you can just get the grease out. Look at that, guys. You see that? Beautiful and crispy. Okay. All right, guys. You see that? Okay, I'm going to get my plate, and when we come back, guys, we should start eating. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to show you guys my plate. Okay, let me show you my delicious chicken gizzards. Look at that, very nice. And then this is my sauce for my gizzard, and my dressing, Caesar dressing, for my broccoli. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to garnish them up with my red onion and green bell peppers. Okay, just like that. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it. Alright. Okay, guys. That's it for me. Okay, if you guys like this chicken gizzard recipe, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and remember to share with your family and friends and give it a try. Okay, you're gonna love it. Now it's time for me to dig in the first bite for you guys. Okay. So good. Okay, guys, that's it for me. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye.